Hello everyone, myself Itashri, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management. In the previous episode, I was discussing about the stress management. I told you about the stress, what is stress, and about the how the stress is affecting our life, how we'll come to know we are under the stress and different types of the stress. In today's episode, I would like to say whether the stress is bad or good and what kind of the negative effect we get from the stress, and also I would like to share about the what are the sources of the stress. Is all stress bad? Moderate level of stress actually improves our performance and efficiency. If we doesn't have any stress in our life, we feel bored in our life. Too much of stress is also not good because it may cause an unproductive level of anxiety. Now, how to identify the stresses? We will be under the stress based on situations, activities, relationship that cause trauma to one's psychological or physical or emotional. Even in the college life also we face the stress. When assignments are given, when the seminars are given, we feel stress. And even in the work environment, if the manager, if they are giving targets to the employees, if they are giving the new task, if they are giving any new challenges, employees will undergo with the stress. And also even in the family, if you're having any clashes with the parents or siblings or some other people, it may cause the stress. Even in the relationship, if any misunderstanding, miscommunications happens, and about the legal matters, and also the some in case if you're having any financial problems, even that case also we will be under the stress. And not only that, in case if you're having any long-term health issues, even it will eat our head, like we will be thinking over that again and again, and we may undergo with the depression. And also sometimes environment effects, if we are not comfortable where we are living, if we are not coping up with the people those are living with us, even that also cause the stress to us. Now let me tell you about the negative effects of the stress. There are two, this one is physical effects and another one is the emotional effect. To say about the physical effects, some people whenever they are undergoing with the stress, they may gain the weight or they may lose the weight. And also some people, unexpected hair losses may happen, and there will be a heart palpitations. And also some people, they will be facing with the high blood pressure. And with regard to the emotional effects, some people, they'll be having the mood swing. You might have observed, they'll be not giving the proper reaction whenever you speak to them or whenever you ask them something. Okay. And sometimes they'll be having a anxiety, and sometimes stress can lead to depressions. And it may also, some people, like the stress will be also lead to the unhealthy copings, like they may start using the alcohol, drugs, etc. Okay. Some other information with regard to the stress I'll give you in the next episode. Until then, take care. Thank you.